Hi guys, we're going to do our first science experiment, and we're going to make a cloud in this 2-liter bottle. So the first thing that we needed to do was add about 1/3 of a cup of warm water and put the cap on the bottle. As warm water evaporates, it adds water vapor to the bottle. We don't need to know that. Oh yes we do. You gotta ignore me because this is my first video. So it adds water vapor to the air inside the bottle. This is the first ingredient you need to make a cloud. So we're going to squeeze and release the bottle. And you'll notice that nothing happens. Why, you ask yourself? Miss Denise, why does this not have anything going on? Well, the squeezing represents the warm water that occurs in the atmosphere. And when you release it, it's the cold air or the cooling that occurs in the atmosphere. Okay? So now, we're going to take the lid off of the bottle. Take our matches, which is probably a good thing we didn't do this in school. We're going to carefully light a match and hold it near the opening of the bottle. And then we're going to drop the match in and quickly put the lid back on. Okay, we're trapping the smoke inside. Dust, smoke, or other particles in the air is the second ingredient you need to make a cloud. So our last thing that we need to do is slowly squeeze the bottle and then release it. What happens? A cloud appears, a little cloudy up here, when you release, and disappears when you squeeze it. So the cloud is supposed to disappear when we squeeze, so it does a little bit. But when you let it go, the cloud comes back if you're looking right here. So when I squeeze it, the cloud kind of disappears. When I let it go, the cloud reappears. Okay? That is the third ingredient in clouds is a drop in air pressure. So that's what the squeezing and the releasing is what caused the cloud to form and then to disappear. So, what you guys need to do now is like this video on YouTube. Of course, you're watching it on YouTube. If you're able to comment, make a comment with your name, letting me know what you thought might happen before the experiment and after the experiment. If you're unable to comment, then you need to write it down on paper, take a picture of it, have your parents text it to me or email it to me so that I know you watched the science experiment and you will get a grade on that. Tune in on Thursday when we will do fog in a jar. See you later, guys. Bye.